yesterday we were at is it
Pride?
it's called the foundation. Lebu Basadi. Okay, it's Lebu Basadi Foundation. Shout out to everyone at Lebu Basadi Foundation.
It's
wonderful. The team is wonderful. The way they catered for us, it was like it felt like it was at home. You know, it shows Guti there are some people out there who really have a heart for people. They have loyalties. They give back to the community, which is what Lebu Basadi is doing. Christmas or please contact Yonela Paddy on Facebook, Instagram, your TikTok, your X, every single platform. You will find me there. Or if you are not able to find me on that on a daily, maybe on a daily, because it's not every day we receive donations, but on that specific day I will take a picture and show you guys. So tomorrow I'm going to take a picture of some clothes that I've received before. That will let you know this is serious. So
baby, now it's okay, you know, this type of shit.
Because it's not
guys, I don't release. I don't get cancer.
Nobody gets out. Okay, we're going to choke. Yeah. Utani won't choke as much.
Yeah, good choke. Should be. Mama release. What release? I go to milk.
To make it Sheila today.
Hey,
today. We need to feel like.
So like,
okay,
Mama release. It's 25 days. When release it?
Stay tuned for Kasige Stories. Up next.
Hey guys, welcome to Kasige Stories. I go by the name Obi O'Brien, Stavansaga Mamaki, and my girls here.
Hey guys, what's popping? It's your girls, Wash Mamizi Wako Kaisi Asambe.
Hi guys, it's your girl Yonela Paddy, the baddest bitch in Mzansi.
And in the blog.
Honey. You know what's up. Check.
Hey girlies, it's Michelle Adrian, you know.
Yeah.
Guys,
you better subscribe and watch more and stay tuned
guys.
And subscribe. So today guys,
and hit a notification.
Please and follow us guys. Why you will get like
and if anyone
so please follow us on all our social media platforms, please guys. So today guys we're going to speak about so we have like something important
important.
So stay tuned. I bought a video
for more.
I bought a baby girl
action.
Baby boy, stay tuned. Like watch it till they what?
Till they
yeah. So today we're going to speak about little questions. And Yonela Berry has something. You know what I'm saying?
Special to tell you guys.
So yeah. So we're going to start by I'm gonna give Yonela an opportunity to just give you that something. You know that tea, that champagne.
Like
so guys, hi again, chair. Okay, girls. Guys, I have started an NPO basically. For now it's still a donation, it's not an official NPO because I have to register and do stuff like that. So what I'm going to be doing, actually what I'm doing currently, I am receiving donations from people all around, you know, all around Johannesburg, all around Gauteng. From anywhere you are, you can donate anything, whether it's clothes, whether it's extra groceries, whether it's stuff you don't use anymore for kids. Because, you know, out there, nowadays, guys, kids out there, they live in Makayeni, which are disadvantaged. So a lot of people, they don't buy them because of Christmas. You know?
Yeah.
Which, in that, we need to ensure everyone is
because they do have, it is
something, you know.
So it's not about
we want those abaswele guys.
And
exactly.
Or
you know, or in please guys, just donate something, just you know, share, you know, for Christmas, for festive, so everyone can be happy. Hopefully as time goes by, when I'm registered the NPO, we can continue for every holiday in the next coming year, so we can be able to provide those clothes to kids, you know, in foundations and in places like your Iksasa Letu youth project, you know, like in my there's Ben of Truth Church. They can collect kids to come together, you know, for that specific day where we can give out the clothes. I'm going to announce a date, probably on the 20th or the 21st, but then it is going to be something brief. It's going to be something quick. We are going to go live on our socials, on Yonela Basadi. That's my Facebook. We're going to go live with my friends.
We
will be giving out the clothes, but due to other circumstances, spots won't be available, but then we will let you know as time goes by.
And guys, if you want to give us something, please just Yonela Basadi
on social medias, every platform. Yonela Basadi. You can
so
just
like,
contact me.
Something, you know?
Yeah.
So in it motivated, it was like
Okay, so basically what inspired me, actually my motivation towards this was my love for kids. Guys, I love children so much, you know. As much as I am not planning or not speaking about having mine yet, it's good to give back to the community, you know, because some of us, you know, we do not have the privileges, but you see umuntu mangabe engekho sesimweni sikahle noma mangabe umuntu akaphili ngendlela which you wish them to, or which akaphili ngendlela nabo phila ngayo, you know, which is good for us to donate to ensure ukuthi umuntu ba happy guys within the community. It motivated me a lot because in ngibona kahle kahle these kids njengoba bavalile esikolweni, most of them on a daily basis they are repeating the same clothes, and those clothes dusty. Abazala baba washade bahlala emathaveni first of all. Secondly, impahla, they don't buy abantwana impahla, they don't buy children groceries for Christmas. Abanye ama family anama Christmas lunch. Kids don't have food to eat. Umntana uzodla ipapa ne-tin fish for the Christmas. Umzali, why is there no effort towards that, you know? So this foundation or this movement, for now I'm still calling it a movement because it hasn't been official, or I haven't been seen by sponsors. I haven't found anything. There's no funds yet. I am trying to do this with all my might, you know. I'm trying to collect clothes, like decent clothes, like impahla now ubona ukuthi okay into engaqoka umntana wami lena akusiyi impahla ezidabukile, akusiyi impahla ongazidobha estradeni. Guys, can you please contact me if you know ukuthi umakhi wakho is struggling, or umakhi wakho there's something ashoda ngayo, or nawe ngokwakho kini, if abantwana bakini yabona ukuthi babarobhe ngempahla ze-Christmas or abanazo at all, please contact Yonela Basadi on Facebook, Instagram, your TikTok, your X, every single platform. You will find me there. Or if you are not able to find me on those platforms, please do contact Sithole, which is in charge of this specific channel that we are on. So we will be sharing like content based on that on a daily, maybe on a daily, because it's not every day where we receive donations, but on that specific day I will take a picture and show you guys. So tomorrow I'm going to take a picture of some clothes that I've received before. That will let you know what this is serious. So guys, if you're around Freedom Park and Auswelang, you know, please guys, abantwana bayadinga lezo impahla lezo, abantwana bayadinga. Let's donate a smile. That's what I call the foundation. I call it Donate a Smile. You know, it's an NPO, it's non-profit. I don't want any money for me. All those donations, they're going to the kids. So anything you donate, you know, nempahla, mangabe sithola those funds is a mali. We're gonna buy groceries like your 5 kgs zempuphu, your 5 kgs for your rice, your sugar lazi to take, you know, ekhayeni labantwana.
Give like baphangise the
bag, buy clothes, pads, you know, basically all those things, guys. We can work on that as time goes by. But for now, for this festive, what we are basing it on is impahla zabantwana. Abantwana mabenempahla the Christmas,
like sitting, of course we need because without you guys,
We not-
without
you
you
know.
donating,
Yeah.
there's
It
no
won't be a
movement.
success, yeah,
you know?
yeah,
So
Yeah, you
please,
realize that it's a
guys.
great idea. It's like,
Yeah,
very
thank
nice.
you guys.
Mm.
And I'm just grateful that I had people to help me with
Yeah.
it because yesterday we were at is it
Pride
Pride
event.
event.
It's a workshop.
Yeah,
It was a workshop
yes.
of Pride event.
Yeah. It's for LGBTQI.
LGBTQ+.
They give information
Thank
regarding
you.
the abuse, the GPVF,
Yeah.
stuff
Yeah.
like that.
That's it.
It's
Yeah.
called the foundation.
Lebu Basadi.
Lebu Basadi. Okay, it's Lebu
Lebu
Basadi
Basadi,
Foundation.
guys.
Shout out to everyone at Lebu Basadi Foundation.
It was
Shout
great
out.
dating.
It's wonderful. The team
Yeah.
is wonderful.
Thank
The
you.
way
Thank
they
you.
catered for us, it was like it felt like it was at home.
Yeah.
It shows Guti there are some people out there who really have a heart for people. They have loyalty, Guti. They give back to the community, which is what Lebu Basadi is doing.
Because
And
if
it
you work
also
with the
provides like
community,
the
They working with the community
Yeah.
like
Shelters.
like this.
Yeah.
Shout out.
Yeah. They
So
provide shelters
guys,
as well. Yeah.
please.
Guys, can you please
like
donate?
Mwanyana.
No, guys, we don't donate.
Hey, everyone.
Also going to donate.
We all have those clothes that we just keep there. I'm never
I
gonna wear
wouldn't
that.
wear this
So
clothes.
somebody can wear that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, somebody
Yeah.
can appreciate that.
You
As
know-
long as it's not torn, as long as it's not like in jail, as long as it's not dirty,
Yes,
you
guys.
know. Even
Yeah,
if it's you didn't wash it in a long time, you can bring it. I bought the equipment for washing. I will wash all the clothes. I'll make sure all of the clothes smell good, so that now you feel like they feel brand new. You know, that's my effort. That's my way of giving back to the community to show Uguti Nami as a citizen. I do see Uguti Kwenzakalani around our communities. You know,
Yes.
it's sad. It would be beautiful if the foundation can grow. Maybe we can do the whole South Africa next time. You know,
Thank you.
know,
Thank you.
And now the whole nation,
the
baby.
whole nation.
So easy, so easy. Like
Shut-
listen, okay, shut. Especially me.
But you know, Mars, we
You're
got
not
guys.
ready.
You know.
Oh, be oh, Brian.
Yeah.
Shut up.
You
Yo, guys.
show me drink like cold clum.
Okay, guys. Yeah,
Shop,
guys.
Okay,
no.
guys, please
Yeah.
donate.
Yeah.
Give a page
Guys.
on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok,
Any
X,
Twitter,
everywhere. Mwanyana
Every platform.
She's
Yeah.
Nella Paddy.
Nje?
Yeah.
Nella Paddy.
Yes.
Like, please
Oh,
donate, guys.
Okay.
Please.
So one thing I wanted to know, like basically, guys, is that njengoba I'm giving this information about this NPO I'm about to begin. What do you guys think? Like, what's your views? Like
Jimmy.
each of you, like separately, what's your views? Obi, like
Tell
what's
me,
your view?
my view is that, okay, on the positive and the negative side,
Yeah.
is that khona abantu abaswelayo.
Yeah.
To me, I was one of them. You know, and when I say, you know, I think I'm like, when I touch Morivi knowing that Morivi is gonna buy the friends up.
Yeah.
You
do what you
know,
can,
you know,
yeah.
I used to, my mom used to tell me, something like me telling me to, my mom used to tell me, Mwanyana, this year I don't have nothing, my child.
You're gonna have to do it on your own.
You know, and especially me, guys. Me, you, me. Okay, so that's my shop. Okay, shop. So guys, my salary. I used to also. So guys, you see how I'm married now. When I put myself in my mind.
Of what?
I had my
Of
mother,
what?
but my mother.
Of this.
I don't want to say she didn't. She can't.
Yeah.
But
It's because
she
of
tried.
circumstances,
She
yeah.
tried whatever she can. But
Yeah.
Manyan, I'm wearing. I give you.
You know what?
You know, and at the okay,
You don't even need an
you know,
explanation how you can
because
feel it.
people are crying.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people, guys, who have all of us. I think not all of us, but half of people like at Freedom Park, Ekasi, there are those who are struggling and those who end. So the moment you never came with this thing, the bad thing that I say is that I said. Because they are like I was also one of them, but it's a so when my used to be for example, I was telling her also I'm giving away this bag. Okay, this bag.
How many children?
How many children will come for one bag?
Yeah.
How many Guys, how many children? Because we all
like
want the best. You know what I'm saying? So that's the thing that I said. I said I didn't say it in a bad thing. What's your idea? I just
it's
said
just a view, basically, you know.
Yeah, because a lot of people want clothes.
Yeah.
A lot. There will be others left without nothing. So that was my view, guys. And yeah, that was my good view and my side view. So yeah, guys.
Mina, guys, my view is okay, I think is a good thing for a community. It's helping its own community, guys. Because Mina feel like but Mina, like I used to make dance battles for children. That's my thing, because I'm helping children to be together, because other children like to fight. I don't like children who's fighting, because another day, another dollar. Okay, sharp. Okay, sharp. You're
and on that point, when you say other children to fight and beef with each other, I'm staying at a point where is abantwana they show off.
Thank you. Like
okay.
You
break about things, and
I like to make children to communicate.
Let me on that point. I want to tell you that it's not that some people grew up in that. It's not that.
Also, me, Chome grew up on that.
Chome, no, isn't this feel? This she's the best. Not that that's what I'm trying to say. What is a little Chome? Meeting friends.
Mina Chome, I was
friends, and then when I'm like friends, and then when I'm saying to you, when Mama would never, it doesn't even afford, but when I saw you pressurize Mama to yo,
Mina guys,
and especially guys, I
don't wanna lie, Mina Kule like charity work. Like Bognabantu like about better against charity work, but busy for getting clothes. Like you know like doing get like Nang told the guys mostly.
Yeah, no, we get you, darling. No, you don't have to. You don't have to.
Yeah,
anything.
Like you guys, Kule like. The way you like Bognabantu Abatana Fika giving out clothes. So I was the one, like Mina guys being kitchen. I want to maba figure out Futabelum, Nabin kitchen, my guys, make a show with CJ. Mabang Pinto Fana. Mina, I'm not that person like but in tightening, but don't maybe Omonto one. Mina, I like things like this, like about you. They change for me like in Patabani, like I grew up in the charity work,
like for example,
even last year, I did a charity work for my own self, but I did it for a pageant. Do you get my point? For a pageant, I bought pearls.
If you felt like sometimes one of my friends I used to say, Chum, you serious. And I'm going to talk.
Thank you.
You used to help me. They want to make you feel like
good about yourself.
Yes, you know, they want to make you fit in.
I'm the one who's helping them. That's why I need to. Helping people. It's something good. It's spiritual. It's a glory from God that is within us. Yes, that's my point. And like peace update.
Yeah, I've talked to them. Yeah, some girls I've talked to them. They're so lovely. They're good.
Actually, back to like
conversation on.
I don't pick like like that's the thing. So when you're giving out clothes, pages for that. Yeah, please.
No, I won't forget them because I did speak to some kids the time I was a couple of I told those kids like who are disadvantaged. I don't want Umdana also figure out to get something like Sasa. We have and I also tell everyone done in Bangla. There's a lot of kids who need those clothes. When I give them into Unayo, Sala Nayo rights, Melali, you know. So Adi, your view as well. Since we didn't give her a chance, can we just hear what she thinks?
Question of course. So you know, like I did show me inkhumbuza like something that I did last year. Ngalokuthi like ngingathengela umntwana impahla last year ngemali yami ngithenga impahla. Ngathengela umuntu. So like inkhumbuza leyo nto it's very like
it's very mindful.
It's very mindful. Yeah, ubuntu lobo. So
and bebangana impahla ze-Christmas.
Yeah, bebangana
just the
impahla,
fact
like,
I also had to help them, but guys,
like,
I also,
you know, like,
I also had to help myself, so I would have helped because I'm no one corner.
Yeah.
And then the time when you bought one of them clothes,
yeah,
I felt like I didn't do anything, but
yeah,
the fact was I also didn't get anything, guys, and I was also doing
really
for
like,
myself.
I was
It was just like I couldn't help.
I won't mention names, guys. So I don't want to.
I don't know.
Mama kivele chumbika kula, so makakula, like umshiye like I won nemntana kubomncane. So mina every time ngithi ngisiza ngitshontsha amanudla or sivela ngathi. Ngitshontsha ama-bigs, maybe ngitshontshe 6 ama-bigs. Ngafaka eplastikini ngihambe nje ngwayise kobe kuseni like chum. Ise ngitshontsha into zakithi ukuthi chum ngale bahleli. So ngelinye ilanga athi chum yazi ngithi akunanzi. Yo chum ngicala ningizame ukuthi ngathi yazi chum lento engiyenzayo e-wrong. Ngihambe nje kugogo wami ngimtshela ukuthi gogo umuntu so akananzi wathi ugogo wami makalethe impahla vele ugogo wami bekamanzi makalethe impahla zakhe. So gogo wami azama ukukhuluma nalo mama wasekhasi lamthanda ukwenza meeting bayenza meeting so uthi mike ndeni baqala ukudonate badonate umama yakhe bambhalisela ngasesasa lethu ukuthi every month bazokwazi ukuthola ukudla ntonjani.
So yeah, like ngisho ukuthi like into encane nje ngathi ngichiphile komunye umuntu because I feel like manje ngithengela le mpahla
She was so excited.
Into engichazile ne umama yakhe like after mazamthola like ukuphola like angithengela something a gift shame angithengela I have a 270 like makaselincane angithengela i270 angithengela ne-jean jacket but i-jean jacket yakhona nje yo isuke like abancane ngayibisela umntana wakhe because incane kimi yabo so benge ngikwazi ukuphisana ngento ngazi ukuthi umama wakhe uzamile so ngathi incane kimi ulona akuphila ngasala ngayithatha. So yeah, that's the thing. Appreciate
how do you feel because the time I'm saying that is key and how did the child feel?
Like uyajabulile like usikhethele impahla kathi umntana angithengelanga ne usikhethele ngabhadala so beka excited yazi ujabulile kakhulu because uyangambhadla next inde beyangazi ukuthi ngimthengele impahla yasakhumbula mbe ngathi ungikhabe se-shop right ngizothenga something ngizothenga something ne yeah then ngamthengele impahla. It was very like very moment like
ngidonse ngobuntu bakaNkulunkulu ukuthi angifuni ukuthi
angisoli.
What I liked about the child because she's I know the child.
Yeah.
She was so grateful, guys. And I felt like because I could share sisters, so I was like also like I went with others. Like I also felt bad, but at the point, guys, I also had to help myself, so that's why I didn't. And at that point, like I used to laugh it, like used to feel like I just didn't, care.
Yeah, that's how I feel,
And I didn't know that. Guys, what I'm wearing now, it's not like me a spill or anything. I'm like with Dominic Chomagati, I'm going to brag now because I've been on
I put myself there. You have every right.
I've been there. I don't want to do movie now. I don't want to do movie. Just it's the talent, but I don't want something that's going to kataza me. But just the fact, dude, I asked my mom for it to ride. My mom tells me I can't afford it. It's not like she doesn't want. She really can't.
She can't.
So while I do things for myself, it becomes like okay, sharp. And she was so grateful because at that point I didn't just want to buy for myself. I went with ID. I bought even to like. Now because I know I'm going to maybe play people. I'm wearing myself. I don't go around pandering. It's just me. And this time I also wanted to just buy things for Umtana Easy because and it's not like I didn't want to help the girl because I even went nothing on my crop top. Yes, I'm saying a man. Just the fact that I'm saying that isn't those but I just felt bad when I came and their sisters, those kids. I do the thing with skip. Meaning you take skip and then you take skip. It felt like
But it's not that you didn't because you didn't want to.
It's because
It's because of the Simo Club, yeah, the situation.
It was just
not everything.
the situation.
Yeah, the circumstances. We have to look at the circumstances around the issue.
Yeah.
You understand?
It's
We
not
can't
about
say-
blessings like
you
that.
understand?
Like,
Yeah, we
you know,
can't say
you can't help-
You can't do something that's not in your power. You do what's in your power at that specific point in time.
And again, you can't feed someone else while you're also hungry.
Exactly.
You know.
It's like giving
when
away your last breath.
you wanna die, but you wanna make her survive. You know, it's a good thing, but eat first and maybe
leaves, yeah,
some
or break it in
leftovers.
between,
Yeah.
so both of us can be, can be content with that. So
It was like that nje injalo.
yeah. So guys, basically today nje, we're just teaching you guys that it's good to open your heart.
It's Ubuntu.
It's
called
good to
Ubuntu.
give back, and despite whatever or however you're treated within society, because those kids that I am doing this for, at the end of the day, they do turn to me and swear me when I walk by. But then because it's not ebubini,
That's the truth.
you understand?
That's the truth.
My heart doesn't take the ugly. I look at the positive within
The
it.
positive.
You understand? I look at what if labantana laba, there was a way where we are able to educate them about this. This is a start. We can educate them as time goes, At this point, we're just showing them it's humanity, Good for
Let's put this mouth.
you understand? And the enye into ukuthi nabazali babo when they watch, we do wish ukuthi you see ukuthi njengoba nathi sinje siyabantu, and we do care about other people, we do care about the community as a whole. So it's a good thing for you guys to try to educate your children about us as well. You understand what I mean? That we are human. We are not just can they just finish off
finish the
like that
the
question?
question
Then we're gonna add on to that. Yeah.
Swashy.
So Swashy?
What I have to say?
Yeah, no, the question that
The question was,
what did we learn yesterday from the
What Ati said, I wanted to say.
Yeah.
okay, no problem.
Answer the question.
Yeah, when I was sitting on that. I was wrong.
No, you were the one who asked the question. You can start, yeah.
What I learned yesterday, guys, is that if we think Caesar is stabani, or you wanna get trans, you want you wanna come out, you are not confident,
Or you need them to help you with your parents.
you want them to help you with your soul, but you just need help with anything that involves being gay. Involves being gay. You are traumatized. You're traumatized and stuff. Like, I think whatever you need, help you need, they are the best for you. That's what I came out with. That Mountain will see. So they just said contact Basadi, batawuthusa mugele batawufafurifaki if awuna confidence batawubuka bazali bakho
And the thing if you want to be a transgender, you don't pay. It's free.
Basically,
Basadi, it's free, guys.
It's free counseling
you don't need nothing.
There were like two
You just go like if you need help.
Like I wanna correct you there for the free. I don't know, maybe but
He said it.
Yes, maybe like I'm from being too wrong, but I feel like you get counseling for the trans. Then it's either they give you pills if you are, because they have to form you first. Then the others they buy their own pills.
And what I know, it takes time.
It takes time. And the problem the pills
people
are what I heard about being trans, whatever you say, it's not like I'm not correct, I need to feel wrong or something. But what I'm saying, I feel like being trans, baningi abafundi ba trans kufana donation I was talking about khona bayifila bangawathola amaphilisi, so some people buy the medication, some people don't. Some people get free medication to get the full transition, some don't, so it's free for those who are lucky, so they do get free whatever transition, and also some don't, some do. Like it, guys, until high.
Yeah. So Aki was asking about the prostate cancer, like the chances. So in terms of chances, where should they start answering? If the prostate cancer question, we should start answering. Should I start? Or should you start?
I see Peter Fitina.
Do you have to repeat the question?
Like,
I don't know. I
Does she need to repeat the question?
was it another every time we asked the question?
No. She just asked it.
Oh, we should ask.
At some point, you know, you need to release in order so you lower the risk of prostate cancer.
Oh.
So, Katlakate, your question is, how do you lessen the chances within yourself as a transsexual person or as a gay person? Okay. So basically, the way you should, you gotta release, you know, and you gotta
release it.
You gotta release, guys. No. It's
It's like
nothing
I
funny.
release it. She gotta
It's nothing
release
funny.
when she's with whatever
With
her
someone.
man, like long time.
Yeah, that's what I said last time.
It's not like you release only one.
Only one.
I can tell
Yeah, that one is not girly.
You know,
No.
because if you don't like, I can like, you know,
It's finished.
you know, for my answer, I think releasing doesn't mean go see Beles is releasing.
Yeah.
I can't utola leo that person othandayo. Then baby now ke batla uqhame kancane. It's okay shabu baba. Ngicela uqhama kancane. You know, this type of shit. You don't type of so releaser.
Yeah, guys. Also, like me, I don't really so. It's like I don't occasionally chimney. Mamela, if you pass a sorry.
No, I'm just shocked by that question. I'm shocked by that because you got the more release that you release in one way. Because it's not
guys, I don't release. I don't get cancer.
Nobody gets out. What's this? We're choke.
Yeah.
Utani won't choke as much.
I could choke. Should be
25 days.
it's about 28 days. After 28 days, you get cancer. You get the
Not
things.
like I'm a chances. Even I release.
No, so that's the question it, my friend. I'm trying to release
Mama release I go to milk.
to make it to Sheila today. Today. We need to feel
So like, hey.
okay,
So your man's
Mama
like.
release. Mama release it's 25 days. When release it.
But you release a lot.
Come on,
Hey, I need to.
So we can tell you.
Mama release 25 days. I'm like saying information.
Okay.
I need to like if it is
Bullshit, guys. Release
guys.
I mean, too much information.
No.
Like,
I spam some dog. Guys, I said she spam some dog. Yeah, spam some dog.
Too much.
She spam some dog. And I mean, I guess she spam some dog.
I think it's supposed to be
She makes she's
Wait, oh. Okay, it's cool again. Like I said last time, I feel like my chances are high because
oh, okay,
yes, that's what I said last time.
Sorry guys for keeping Jason's Sorry my laughing.
Yes, sorry, my laughing.
Guys, Sayo color today. I know.
Just feel like
December. Guys, I don't wanna lie.
Please just be the water.
The water that we need of the spreading.
Number like a chum. The one. Nancy Valen go in number.
Askisi.
Okay, guys.
I don't try that. I should be my like I didn't that on the
Okay, so
I would should look serious alone.
So we rate it. So I'm question man. Question. I want to
I need to show you question wrong. Sorry guys.
No, I don't like. I'm honest. Like, we're honest now.
Okay, Shaka, won't lie. I don't release myself unless.
Actually, we don't much debate.
Yeah, we don't.
We don't. You know, that
think-
happens. The releasing, I think it happens during sexual intercourse when you're feeling the person. Now you can feel what you're getting
there.
Yeah.
But then it's not a thing that happens regularly, you know? Because sexual intercourse is not a thing you do every day, you know? So,
Yes, guys, it's the question. You know what I'm saying?
My question, yeah.
Subscribe to Mugele.
Wait, usile lo.
Okay.
Yangibona lo.
Okay, sharp. I forget, but I want you to subscribe and follow me, please.
and to watch it.
And watch it. You know what I'm saying? Okay, sharp. So,
Ima wait, ke kantan.
is she friends and mother guys? You know what I'm saying? I bad
You ain't gotta
myself.
explain, child. They can say it's clear.
So,
It's clear.
yeah. So, guys, the question, you guys, why you confused? Yeah, no, my need to buy. Question, meeting.
80%.
Like the chances of prostate cancer, how do you lessen them, or do you by any chance lessen them?
Yeah, that's
Like do you share the dice, basically? His question.
Okay. My question.
okay.
Okay, guys, my question. I'm thinking. My question, guys, I don't know what to answer, but I'm just going to give you a small little brief of what I think and what.
What you doing?
What I don't do, like I don't like. It's not a must for me to
Release. Yeah.
Thank you.
It's not a must. I don't think about, like I don't do it, like nothing. And I feel like I need to say I don't do it, and it's not a must.
Yeah.
What I think is that I might release if I'm in sexual activities with my person, and I feel like, oh, I go Gashisa, you know, then I feel like, oh, nah, you pay for release again. I go, no. Sorry guys for the language.
Please subscribe, like, share,
So please,
and the notification button. You're gonna win.
A notification button.
Yes, and guys, yeah, so guys, I was saying good to him. Please, guys, it's not a must, but when you're dating or doing something with somebody and that person wants this thing on time we don't masturbate. I don't know, but for me specifically, and then they also say they don't. So others do, others don't.
Thank you.
Finish.
The ones who do it,
Cut this shit.
Sharp.
the ones who do it,
Yes.
ilaba abalongi.
Yes.
Abangayitholi
So today is 7, guys. Tomorrow is 8, which means it's
Like
Nicki Minaj.
No, it's birthday queen.
Queen of country, wow.
In the world.
Queen of world. No, Nicki Minaj's birthday.
Nicki Minaj's birthday.
Pink. It's a pink Sunday.
Friday. I don't know what to
It's a
wear.
pink Sunday.
Pink Sunday, you
I
know.
want pink.
I don't know what to wear, you know.
Okay.
I'm gonna get Barbie.
Just pink.
I bet when I was Barbie.
You want me to show you? You want me to show you? Yes.
The shit.
No. It's your chain.
Oh.
It's your crown.
Oh.
It's your
Oh, let's give it Barbie.
it's your paint.
Okay, it's
Ooh,
giving Barbie
Barbie.
dangerous.
You know.
bitch.
That's Barbie.
I'm already getting
So you
Barbie.
think
Blonde
you're
hair.
not-
They didn't know what color my
Blonde
pink
hair.
was. Yeah.
In advance, it's
You know.
showing me.
I know, chat.
Your lips are pink.
Girls, we gonna see y'all. We've been speaking too much.
Yeah.
Bye, guys. We love y'all.
We love you. Money.
Okay.
Guys,
I couldn't miss
Okay.
one. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time I drop a video, you'll be notified.